Hey, welcome back to the garage. I've got a little different video. It's something I'm working on personally at the house. My own little machine shop. On a different channel, I've got some videos where I took a Sears and Roebuck radial arm drill press. Yes, I did say drill press. I did say radial arm. A lot of people don't know what one is, hadn't seen them. They apparently wasn't very popular, but I wound up with one, and I bought it at the yard sale. I think I gave $10 for it. Don't look like it really been used. It looked like it rusted more than it got used. But I took parts of it and I built this stand, and I put the Sears and Roebuck head on. I was grabbing it. There's the head I had on it, and it was mounted up here. And it worked somewhat, but it was not strong enough to do what I really wanted to do. The shaft and the bushings and stuff ain't strong enough to run a small milling bit. I'm going to commit, I know a machine shop sin, I'm going to put a milling bit in a drill choke, but you do what you got to do sometimes when you're having to build or fix things. With this video, I'm just going to explain. I'm taking this off, and I'm building a new drill head to go here. I'll show you it in a minute. I just thought I'd show you the machine, which I've still got the motor off the Sears and Roebuck. You can see it back there, that old sucker. Got a cross slide table. I ordered it. Works really well. It's not a high-end table. I mean, it's a cheap made one. For my table adjustment, I've got a car jack. Like I said, I got videos where I built this on another channel, and I'm going to link it to this video. But now I'm going to show you the drill head I'm building. Well, here's the other half I'm referring to. This is the new drill head. You can see it's got the 2-inch base on it, like the other one. Said it's going to be bolted to it. It won't be on a swivel right now. I hope later to make it where it will angle, but right now I'm just trying to get it together. I've got it, as you can see, just tacked together. It's mocked together. Right now I'm building the slide. That way I can pull the handle and it'll drill. Of course, I know it's sitting horizontal, so for some people this will be hard, but when I get it mounted, it'll have a handle of some sort. Not sure what I'll start out with. I know what I want to build. That's a different video. That will push this back and forth. I'll be able to lock it up. In here I'm going to put cam follower wheels, which will help hold it straight and help hold it tight. But I want to be able to take this to the machine shop and actually put it together and see what it looks like. See if it's the way I want it to be and it's going to work the way I want it to. I do have some videos about this. Like I said, on another channel. I'm going to have to look and see if anything's worth putting a link to it, but I will link what's there. I don't think I had any video really of building this, or this part. I've had to do it a piece here and a piece there. I just really haven't had time to video and work at the same time, so this is what we got planned anyway. Y'all have a good day.